Nelson Mandela says that education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Education plays a big role in our economy, and in order to have successful leaders, we must improve our reform in education. We must improve our education. So we can reform our educational system by increasing the student support programs and to reform teacher trainings to meet student needs and to fund more towards education to give out more opportunities for students. By increasing more student support programs, it can help students to continue further their education because they have more supporters to support them. So most schools have some sort of student support program, such as College Possible. Now this program is for students that come from a low-income family and they want to keep pursuing their education, so they want to pursue in their education, so they would become the first one in the family to go to college. So this program helps students with to learn about the basics of how to enroll into college, and it's been proven that in statistics from comprehensive historical analysis by Dr. Avery says that 76% of students who were admitted to College Possible were in the likelihood of getting admitted into college, whereas those who were not into a student support program. So by having more students By having more student support services, it can encourage more students to have assistance into furthering their education. Next, we should reform teachers' training skills. And teachers are known to be judged by the way they teach. So sometimes teachers can't always answer students' questions, and Mary Futrell states in transforming teachers' education to reform America's that standards should be designed to improve the quality of school, and teachers need to strengthen teaching skills. Now, some parents may become concerned that if teachers go more into training, then more school days would be cut because teachers are going into training. But on the bright side of it, as we have more teachers going to training, they can become more sensitive into responding to student needs. So by reforming teacher skills, it can really help set new standards on how teachers can respond best to student needs. Last but not least, we should fund towards education so that there's more opportunities given to students, such as funding for early developmental Head Start programs, school technology for better learning, hands-on experience, and for programs to expand their learning experience. In education platforms for Americas, they said that by filling in our achievement gaps in America education, we can give more opportunity and ensure that everyone can have an educational opportunity. So this is why we need to develop plans and raise standards for early instruction, for early learning programs. Once again, as Nelson Mandela said, that education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world, and that if we reform our education today, we can create more powerful, successful leaders for our future. Thank you.